Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Avalon maintenance light. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look at your instrument cluster. You need to make sure the odometer is displayed. If you see something else, simply press the DISP button on your dashboard until the odometer reading appears. This is a crucial first step for the reset process. Now, turn your ignition completely off. Locate the trip reset button, usually near your odometer, and press it down firmly. While still holding that button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Continue to hold the trip reset button. You will see the maintenance light flash and then disappear after about 10 seconds. This indicates the reset is in progress. Once the maintenance light has vanished from your display, you can release the trip reset button. Now, go ahead and start your engine as you normally would. Observe your dashboard to confirm that the maintenance light does not reappear. If, for any reason, the light comes back on or never went off, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get it right. This straightforward method should help you reset the maintenance light on your Toyota Avalon. Remember, while this process works for many models, always refer to your specific owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions for your vehicle. It's always best to double-check. Also, if you love to read, you'll want to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.